This is the Neutide by Landsea Homes. It actually has another name as well. In some communities, I've seen it called the Meadowood. Whatever you want to call it, that's the home we're going to look at today. It also comes in a couple different configurations, so I'm going to explain that to you as we go through. Let's go. We get asked all the time about this floor plan. We get people that call and they say, hey, we want to know more about the Neutide. And if you've looked over in St. John's Preserve, this is now going to be called, I believe it's the Meadowood, even though they haven't finalized it. So regardless of whether you want to see the Neutide or the Meadowood or anything else that Landsea may have called this home, that's why we're here, and that's what we're going to do today. Now, this does come in two different configurations. You can either have it configured as a 4-bedroom or a 3-bedroom with a giant flex space. So I am going to explain that as we go through the home and give you a little bit more detail on what that means. We're also going to talk more about pricing, cost of ownership, some information about this particular community that we're in today, and some incentives that Landsea is offering. I'll see you inside. So let's explore this Neutide. The configuration that we are in today is actually going to be the 4-bedroom with a study. The 3-bedroom configuration does have the study as well. This room off the front, this is going to be what they consider the study. It's a smaller room. This is about 10.6 by 7.11. So it's going to be really too small for a bedroom. It's got some really cool windows up here. It's got recessed can lighting, and there is no closet, so this is a true office. Now keep in mind that is in addition to those additional bedrooms. You got a coat closet right off the front here. And then as you work your way into the house, you've got a nice open concept layout, kitchen up in the front, dining and living space all combined. Now this is a split bedroom layout, so I'm going to give you a little bit more of a perspective on that, and we're going to go talk about this 2 configuration here in just a minute. The kitchen in this particular model is what they consider their gourmet or deluxe. I'm going to bring you back here in a minute and kind of give you some more details on what that actually means when you're looking at these homes. One of the things I'll point out here as we're kind of walking through, Landsea puts in the hot spots throughout their homes. It's one of the things that I think they do that helps set them apart a little bit, is they do have the home pretty much pre-wired and tech ready. Aside from all the can lights, they do throw in some smart switches, so those are all Wi-Fi connectable, so you can get those hooked up to your phone. It's pretty cool. This is going to be that second bath. I'm going to bring you back to that in a minute. Now this hallway right here, this is where the configuration really changes. So like I said, this is going to be the 4-bedroom. The 3-bedroom configuration, this space right here is actually open, and this is what they call a flex room. So as you walk down this hallway, this would almost be like a secondary living space, but in this configuration, it's the 4th bedroom. So let's start off in the 3rd bedroom, then we're going to come back to this one so you can see with the 4-bedroom configuration how this is set up. So this bedroom right here, actually on their floor plan, they've got this listed as bedroom 2. I know I called it bedroom 3. This is 10.6 by 11.1, and this is going to have a standard closet with the bypass doors. Single window. Again, Landsea is including their faux wood blinds in Courtyards at Waterstone. So definitely make sure you understand what you're buying when you're looking at new construction, because all builders offer something different, and even some of the same builders offer different things in different communities. Now these do have the recessed can lights in the bedrooms. I'll show you another one of those here as we go into, let's check out the bedroom 4, right? So just imagine if this was the 3-bedroom configuration, this would all be open right here. This closet wouldn't be here, and this is almost going to be a secondary living space. But in this one, this is the 4th bedroom. This is going to be, on the floor plan, they've got it listed as a 10.5 by 10. I think it is slightly smaller because of the closet, or actually the closet may be split with the other room. So I think maybe in the 3-bedroom, you get a full closet on the other side. You can see it's got the recessed lighting here. Another thing that Landsea does that I like, and it drives me crazy when I see builders do this. If you ever look at new construction, one of the things to look at is sometimes you'll see like a little vent up here, and that's basically the return, right? To get the negative air pressure back into your air handler so it flows. Well, the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to add the jump ducts. So each room has a return, it sucks the air through. The only time I kind of see an exception to that is sometimes in 2-story homes, it's harder for them to do that. But in a single-story home, that's always my preference. So as you move through here, you've got your laundry room off of the garage. It's got some built-ins up top. You do have a sink, which is nice. Not only plumbed for it, but it has the sink. And let me just show you this panel since we're here. All of this is pre-wired. Here's all your Cat 6 cables. Everything's labeled for the bedroom. It's already got the switch to route where everything goes. This is the fiber optic, so it's already run from the street to the box here. Literally all the internet company has to do is show up and install the modem, and you guys are ready to go. So they're really forward thinking with that. I think that's a great thing as well. And this bedroom here is going to be a 10.6 by 11. And this is gonna have that standard closet as well with the bypass doors. So just imagine if that other bedroom wasn't there and this was the 3-bedroom configuration, this closet, based on the floor plan, looks like it would just be twice as wide. So the closet for the other bedroom is on that side of the wall. Now at the end of the hallway here, you've got the garage. There's something unique about this. This is a 2-car garage with an extra half-car depth on one bay. So if you're wanting an at-home gym, maybe you got extra bikes, jet skis or something, you've got room for that, and you still have a standard 2-car garage. So this area right here measures 9.3 by 7.1, and then the rest of the garage is pretty much a standard 20 by 20. So this full length right here, if you add it up, it's gonna be just over 29 feet deep on this one side. You've got the hybrid style hot water heater that Landsea offers. I know I talk about it a lot, but I think it's a cool feature. Basically, it's gonna suck in that extra hot air in the garage through here, helps heat your water more efficiently, and also helps cool the temperature in the garage because it circulates the cooler air after it sucks in the hot air from the garage. Now this is going to be the pump for the irrigation system. The utilities here are public sewer and city water, but the irrigation is gonna be on a well. That's the well pump. Here's your timer box. This is designed to help keep the rust staining off of the driveway and the pavers because that is sucked up out of the ground. So the way our water here is in Florida, you know that we're subject to staining from that. I've also heard rumors that they may be going to a reclaimed or city water style system for the irrigation in different phases of this community. I'll talk more about that as we know more. Hurricane shutters are here. And then this is a insulated garage door. I don't see this a lot. I actually had a chance to talk to the superintendent. They don't know if they're gonna put these in all the homes, but it does seem like some of them do get the insulated garage door panels, which I think is good because it's gonna just help keep your garage cooler. The openers are included. That's another thing that I would advise you to ask about when you're looking at new construction. A lot of builders don't give you the garage door opener. A lot of people don't even realize it till they're closing on the home and they said, oh, I don't get a garage door opener. So garage door is included. It is a belt drive, so it's a little quieter, and it's got the Wi-Fi, so that gets hooked up to your phone as well. So let's go back up to this second bathroom right here in the hallway. Then we're gonna head to the master in the back of the house, and I'm gonna give you more info about pricing and cost of ownership. So bathroom 2 has got the dual sink vanity. You can see it's got a quartzite style countertop. It's basically the same cabinet and counter package that you have for the rest of the house. You have the dual sink vanity there, nice big mirror, and then there's no custom tile work in this secondary bathroom. It is a tub with a insert piece on the wall. So let's head over here. We'll take a look at the master, and then we're gonna go outside. So as I mentioned, this is a split bedroom floor plan, but it's not split side to side. It's more of a front and back split. So you've got those bedrooms and the study up in the front. Master is gonna be all the way in the back. And then as you walk in here, immediately to your left is gonna be your bathroom. So you've got another dual sink vanity here. This one's really, really long. You've got a lot of counter space, same cabinet and countertop package as the kitchen. You've got a nice offset lay tile on the floor here. I think what they've done in the shower is pretty cool. They've got like a herringbone pattern on the floor, and then the toilet's separated in its own water closet there. And the other thing that Landsea does too, which is kind of cool, is they at least run the tile in the shower all the way up to the wall. I think that's nice. Closet's gonna be opposite the bathroom as you walk in, and then your master bedroom dimensions are gonna come in at 13.6 by 16.1. So this is a nice sized bedroom. It's got the single can light here, and I guess I would call that a double window. It's basically 2 windows. So you've got a nice window in the back there, lots of natural light. They've got the Cat 6 cables running here. You've actually got that on 2 walls. You've got some USB outlets over here, a couple outlets here. So there's tons of electrical, and everything is, like I said, I think they've thought through the way that they finish the homes. Everything's very, very functional. Let me know what you guys think about this floor plan. I know it's one of the more popular ones. We've gotten a ton of positive feedback about that Hannah model that Landsea offers in 2 different configurations. If you've seen that, let me know what you like better. We're gonna head outside now. I'm gonna show you this covered patio. Then we're gonna come back in here and talk about pricing, incentives, cost of ownership. The Lanai area on this Neutide is going to be roughly 1/3 the width of the home. So it's, in my opinion, it's probably one of the smaller patio areas that I've seen on Landsea Homes. Even though this is a super popular floor plan, the dimensions of the patio are going to be 13.8 by 12.6. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments, if the indoor living space or the outdoor living space is more important to you. Now I'm going to get into more about pricing, cost of ownership, and give you a little bit inside info on the community that we're at today. I'll see you inside. So when it comes to pricing, the kitchen is one of the biggest things that impacts pricing. This kitchen right here is considered their deluxe or gourmet kitchen. Basically what that's gonna do is that's gonna reconfigure this layout here. The sink is normally underneath that window. In the deluxe, that's gonna basically pull the sink into the island. It's gonna give you a pull-out drawer stack here under this window. It's gonna move the dishwasher into the island as well. You're also going to get the built-in range top with the vented hood, and then it's gonna have the built-in oven and microwave. So of course, kitchen is going to impact price. Not subway tile, it's more of a hex tile or octagon tile backsplash there. And then this is gonna be the pantry. Nice sized walk-in pantry there. And again, refrigerator. If you're buying new construction, you guys need to understand whether your home includes a refrigerator or not. I've seen a lot of new construction that do not include refrigerators. I believe the reason this one does is because it is part of that deluxe kitchen package. So since we've kind of covered what impacts price, let's actually talk about price. The current cost of ownership here, we are in Courtyards at Waterstone here in Palm Bay. The HOA is going to be $660 per year. So if you want to break that down to a monthly cost, that's going to come in at $55 per month. Because this is brand new construction, I think your insurance is probably going to come in somewhere between $800 to $1,200 per year. Now that's based on what we've had other clients purchase homes that have been similar to this, what types of policies they have got. Now, of course, depending on the coverage limits that you want, that's gonna have the biggest impact on pricing on a new construction home similar to this. Now, as far as the neighborhood goes, I've seen homes in here start as low as the low 300s, and then they go as high as to the mid to upper 4s. That's really gonna depend on the builder, the location, and how you finish the home here. This one is the Neutide. It was the West Indies front elevation, 3-bedroom, with the 4-bedroom option. So it's a 4-bedroom with that office, 2 full bathrooms, 2125 square feet, and it's priced at $425. If you want to actually see what this community looks like, we're going to go tour it right now, and you can see that here. I'll see you guys next time.